Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to end road on Apple Maps. So let's get started by open Apple Maps. If I remove this application from the Receive app and reopen it, as you can see I still have this road. So to end it, you need to, so we have the window with the time information. Just scroll up and right here we have End Road button. Click at this button and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.